In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a document in Google Docs, whether you're approving a proposal, signing off on an assignment, or adding a personal touch to your documents. Learning how to insert your signature is a valuable skill. We'll navigate this process step by step, so it's easy to follow along and you'll feel confident applying it to your own work. First, start by opening your Google Doc. Once you have your document ready, think about where you want your signature to appear. Place your cursor at the precise spot, so when your signature is added, it lands just where you'd like. This step sets the stage for seamlessly integrating your signature into the document. Next, you'll want to click on the Insert menu located at the top of your document. Once you click, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, hover over Drawing, and then select the option that says Plus New. This action will open up a new drawing window where you can create your signature. Now that you're in the drawing window, take a look at the top of the screen. You'll see a line drop-down menu. Click on it, and you'll find several options. Here, you should select Scribble. This tool allows you to draw freely in the space, making it perfect for creating your signature. With Scribble selected, you can now draw your signature in the open space. Whether you're using a mouse, a trackpad, or a stylus, carefully sketch your name or your chosen symbols just as you would when signing a physical document. Take your time here to ensure your signature looks just right, as this digital form will be a representation of your authentic signature in various documents. Once you're satisfied with your signature, look to the top right corner of the drawing screen and click on Save and Close. This will insert the signature image directly into your document, exactly where your cursor was positioned earlier. Finally, take a moment to adjust your signature to fit neatly on the page. You can click and drag on the corners of your signature to resize it, making it smaller or larger according to your needs. Additionally, you can drag the signature around to find the perfect placement, ensuring it complements the document layout. And there you have it. A seamless way to sign documents directly within Google Docs. This technique not only saves you time, but also maintains the professional quality of your work. I encourage you to practice this a few times, as comfort with this process could prove invaluable, especially when you need to add a signature quickly to any document or correspondence. Thanks for watching, and happy signing!